Alice, and this is Collaboration Central. Welcome to episode 19. So, in a TED Talk in 2010, Derek Sivers spoke about the concept of the first follower and how to start a movement. In today's episode, I'm going to share exactly what a first follower is and why it's so important to collaboration, so be sure to stay tuned. In his 2010 TED Talk, Derek Sivers shared a short video, it was around 3 minutes, of a crowd sitting on a lawn in the sunshine, music in the background, and pretty much nothing going on until a fairly scrawny looking guy with just denim shorts on stood up and started dancing with the most ridiculous dance moves. The crowd in the beginning looked pretty uncomfortable and some were giggling, but this guy was having such an incredible time. The music was good, the sunshine was good, the venue was good, and people couldn't resist. And slowly, one by one, and eventually 2 by 2, and then in their masses, people started joining and dancing. This is the first follower. The first follower actually becomes the leader, and the first follower, no matter what the ridicule and the laughter in the background, is determined to follow. So you know, right, that likes in the social media world are not necessarily equated to followers. In fact, many refer to likes as vanity metrics. So in your collaborative endeavors, with the objective of trying to create a collaborative environment, I need to ask you, would you rather have 1,000 likes or one first follower? Of course, it's very dependent on exactly what you're trying to achieve. But if you're trying to achieve collaboration, I would go with the first follower. The first follower is the person who will rave about it, speak about it, no matter what opposition comes his or her way, and finally entice others into the same space. So if your organization is one of those really grappling with the concepts and the buy-in to collaboration, but you have a first follower, I would say you're going to be okay. Google the Derek Sivers video and you'll get an idea of the impact of the first follower. And remember, collaboration, just like Rome, wasn't built in a day. Good luck and see you next time.